All right, listen, everything that I'm about to say is my opinion. And when I used to live in Italy, this is what we used to do when we were about to express our opinion. We would throw our tie over our shoulder. So that would mean you didn't have to say it like I've just gone on this long, drawn-out explanation that I'm just going to give my opinion. You could just throw your tie over your shoulder, and then you'd be fine. If you had a monkey, you could throw a monkey over your shoulder. That's not true. You don't want to throw a monkey. Okay. Day trading is widely viewed, as I mentioned in the last video, as being dangerous. And I said I'd get around to discussing some of those reasons and sharing some of my stories about that. It's offensive to a lot of people when I say that day trading is scary or dangerous. It ends up offending a lot of people because we want to day trade and we want to get all that action and we want the excitement that comes with trading on a regular basis. If you are a day trader, you could look at something like that moves really fast in the currency market, like the British pound Canadian dollar, or the British pound Japanese yen, or some of these other really fast moving currency pairs. And you could actually get a lot of action, get a lot of trades, you know, a short trade here, a buy trade here, a buy trade there, a short trade there, and you could take a lot of trades and get a lot of experience. But when it comes down to it, I think the reasons that I haven't really met a lot of successful, long-term, successful, verifiable, profitable, trading for a living day traders that have been doing it for longer than a year is for one major reason. And that reason is stress. It's incredibly stressful to sit in front of the charts, take short-term trades, have to sit there in front of the charts, especially in the currency market when the currency market is moving at really, really early hours of the day for a lot of people. And in the next lesson, we're going to talk about what hours of the day the currency market moves a lot. But it can be really stressful, and I think that's the major reason that this is difficult. And I want to be fair to you. You may be interested in day trading, and you may be interested in lots of short-term trades, but I just want to say, if you choose to do day trades, the way to alleviate the stress and to remove some of that stress, I think, is to choose 2 to 3 days of the week at a maximum that you sit down in front of the charts and you do short-term day trading. And you choose those days of the week based on days where there is a significant amount of economic news. And we'll talk about economic news in one of our upcoming lessons and the importance of trading on days where there is significant economic news, so you are sort of guaranteed to have lots of activity. And then after those 2 or 3 days are over, learning to stop and let it go and rest your mind and rest your body. I know that sounds like I'm sort of like downplaying the possibility that you could be a day trader. But what I'm really I'm upselling the possibility that you could be a really great, infrequent or less frequent day trader. I don't have anything else to say about that. I want to jump into a lesson about what hours the currency market is most active and where to find out what's happening in the currency market at certain times of the day. I'm Rob Booker. These videos are sponsored by our friends at Forest Park FX. Interested in FX trading? Contact Forest Park FX to open up a trading account and get cashback rebates on every trade you place. Go to forestparkfx.com. Forex trading carries a somewhat significant, I shouldn't say any extra words, carries a significant risk of loss. Terms and conditions will apply. We'll see you in the next video.